It's Alissa from Alissa Beth Photography and Inside the Box Photography. Wanted to give you a quick little tutorial today on how I change the color of the clothing to match the holiday card template that I have here. So I have a client who is interested in using one of the photo shoots that I had actually done this summer with her for her holiday card. So she contacted me, and I created a brand new 9-box composite for her. And the original colors of the shirts are this. There's this green and sort of aqua color. So I put them into the holiday template card that they had picked out, and really wasn't loving the colors of the shirts. I wanted them to blend a little better. So I just did a really quick fix. So let me show you what I did. What I did was I made sure that I was on the layer, which if you look at the right side, it says Jessica 9 box. That is the actual composite that I just inserted into this template. So the template looks like this when you open it up. I just inserted an already completed 9-box composite right in, fitted in the way I liked it, and then I also added some text for the family to tell, at the bottom just saying their name and, love the family. And then I decided I wanted to change the color of the shirts. So while I was still highlighted on the 9-box, I went up and to where it says layer, adjustment layer, and I went to a hue saturation layer. But I made sure that the check mark here, which says use previous layer to create clipping mask, was checked, so that the only thing that I would be changing when I'm changing my hue and saturation was changing what was inside this box, not the entire Photoshop project. Just what's inside, just the 9-box. So I clipped the hue saturation layer to this Jessica 9-box. So since I've already done it for you, I'm going to press cancel, but you would normally just check OK. So I already have it here, and so I'll show you. You can see that this is a hue saturation layer. It is clipped to the 9-box because you can see the arrow. So I'm going to turn it on and show you again. This is now the color of the kids' shirts, and it was very easy to do. I'm going to open up this hue saturation layer for you and show you. You can see here that I have, at the master level, it doesn't look like I did anything. I have 0, 0, 0, but what I actually did was I went into the cyans. And let me bring this back down to 0 for you. And at 0, it's just the regular color. I just pulled the cyan level toward blue. I just did it until I thought it looked pretty good. I just wanted it to match and look more complete to the eye. So I like the way this looks, and that was pretty much it. It was a really, really quick and easy fix. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if anyone's interested in actually purchasing this template, it is in the store, www.insidethephotobox.com. All right, thanks for listening.